Alright everyone, welcome back to the Titanium Skull Racing YouTube channel. I decided to pull out my next project. It's a small block Chevy I'm going to be putting in my S10. So we're going to do some head work, put a different intake manifold on it, put a cam in it, and I'm here to port these heads. So, never done it before, but we'll see how it goes. Got this crazy idea one night. Wanted to see if I could port the heads myself. God damn it. Oh shit, Sony. Hell yeah, brother, I can't even use my fucking tool. God damn, bitch, you tight. This dude be a massive pain in my fucking ass. Son of a bitch. I doubt this is gonna work, but just maybe. Yeah, I got it. Yet this fucking thing is stuck in here. Now this thing's stuck on here. Oh, joy to the world. That works. Let's see. Stone one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with this one first. I only have one valve out right now. Well, I wanted to save y'all the trouble of watching me do that, but we got the intake port matched. Yeah, I know. It's not looking too great, but it lines up with the gasket that I had. We got the exhaust ports done, and we got all the valves done. Clean them all up, and it should flow a lot better. Here's the other head. This is my first time ever porting a set of heads. We'll see how it goes on this thing.